How's it going everyone, Space Life here. So in this episode we're going to show you the garden, and we've actually got a few things to pick as well. So we're going to head over to the beans now. We've got some French beans. Got really nice colours to them actually, so we'll show you them. But first we just noticed this guy down here. And he is a beast. You can see how big he is. And you can tell by these markings here, he's actually a friendly slug, so he will eat other slugs. So we'll leave him in the garden. Beep. So we'll head over to these French beans. You can see they've done really well. Some of them are quite hidden. We notice this one under here is ready to pick. There's a couple here which are also ready, but they don't seem to be as bright as that one, but still be pretty tasty. And there's going to be plenty more, you can see. Plenty more coming in here. Yeah. We've got these little pea snaps as well. And these are all ready to pick. So you can see here, we've got this gourd, and we weren't too sure what it was for a while. A friend gave it to us, and we actually thought it was a cucumber. And you can see in here, next to the gourd, is this really cool looking, it's actually a gherkin, which is in the same family as a cucumber. And what we've done as well is we've put loads of little cucamelons down here, and you can see they're really tiny at the moment, but they're coming along nicely. You can see our corn's doing pretty well, and this actually helps pollinate all of the sweet corn in there. You can see it drops down. That's why you have all of your plants nice and close together. And we actually have some starting down here, so it pollinates these little hairs here, and this is a brand new sweet corn. Quite a nice size actually. On to the next bit. And these, I think they're called a Chinese sour melon, and they're pretty cool. You can see it's starting here, and there's actually loads of flowers on these plants. I didn't expect them to go so crazy. This whole bunch here is all of these sour melon plants. I hope they taste good. Further down here we've got these purple tomatillos, and again these have loads of flowers. This is why we like having pollinators in the garden, and they're all looking really good. So we wanted to pick this one down here as well, and it's probably got a little bit too big for my liking, but we'll still eat it. Kind of a variegated green and yellow courgette, so it's actually a bit bigger, like I was saying, than I like, but it'll still taste good. Yeah, we noticed on our watermelon plant we actually have a little flower down here. We'll see how that turns out. You can see down here we have another yellow courgette, and this one looks like it's quite stripy actually. Looks pretty cool. And down here, I'm not sure the name of this plant, but look at the size of them leaves. And this was actually indoors. It got a little pest problem indoors, so we brought it outdoors and let nature do its thing, and that actually killed off all the pests, and now it's doing really well.